Since the beginning of the 1980s, Ellco Food of southern Sweden has been operating a twin-line Centribone plant 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. Ellco's Centribone plant receives prime quality cooled bones from abattoirs all over Sweden. The cooled bones are kept in temporary cold storage until the processing plant is ready for them. The plant is entirely computer controlled, using pop-up charts to control the various plant sections. The raw materials come both from the slaughter of cattle and pigs, but they're normally processed separately. Each Centribone throughput is controlled by the versatile and variable speed screw conveyors, which lift the bones from the receival bins. The well-cleaned bones are not pre-broken and are passed through metal detectors before mincing. The mincers are rugged 400mm palmiers equipped with final 18mm hole plate holes. Fully controlled throughput rates enable this direct mincing. The minced materials, most of which are between 5 and 15mm, are now lifted into two distributors which divide the materials onto two melting lines. The distributor reservoirs also serve as buffers to eliminate irregularities caused by metal detection stops and the such like. They also automatically dose the raw material heaters. The minced materials are heated by direct steam injection in order to melt out fats and coagulate proteins. The heating program is controlled by a temperature feedback loop. A frequency-controlled material transport in the heater allows well-defined preset time and heating schedules, keeping heating time as late as approximately 5 minutes at a temperature of some 95 degrees. The encapsulated raw material heaters are designed to provide hygienic operating conditions. Counterweights ease lid opening for the manual inspection of the cleaning process, and an air-operated lifting device slightly inclines the heater in order to complete emptying. From the heater, the bone materials are fed directly into the throat of specially adapted audio pumps, which also open easily for manual inspection. Since steam condensate is the only additive to the bone material in the heaters, the pumps have a very tough task pumping the unhomogeneous mixture directly into the decanter centrifuges. The plant contains 4 Alfa Laval CBNX 418 two-phase decanters, all equipped with spray nozzles and turn motors for in-place cleaning. The decanters separate the heated bone mixture and dewater the bone grieves to some 60% of dry solids and around 2.5% fat. The dewatered and defatted grieves are collected from all 4 decanters and conveyed for rotary drum drying. The liquid from the decanters passes a floater-retaining Alfa Laval sieve and arrive for final separation in 2 Alfa Laval AFPX 513 separators. They operate well above 5,000 revolutions per minute, corresponding to 7,500 Gs. The separated glue water in this plant goes to the evaporator for concentrate production, while the clean fat goes directly for tank storage. The best separating conditions are obtained using a precise water system and pH adjustment prior to separation. An in-situ cleaning plant also ensures hygienic operating conditions. The discharged sludge goes back to the front of the processing line, while the fat passes a final clarity control before being passed on for storage. Alfa Laval Centribone brings you unique features. Continuous processing in a closed system, precise adjustable temperature and melting program, continuous adjustable short-time heating, wet processing without the addition of water, automatic fat clarity control system, all required degrees of automation. The benefits offered by Alfa Laval Centribone: short start-up and shutdown times through continuous processing. Bright, clear and edible fat needs no further processing. Labour savings through automation. Low maintenance costs, automation prevents high peak loads. Compact installation, limited space requirements.